Hi, Aquarius, Sun, and Rising people. So this month, the Eight of Swords is your tarot theme. Now, this is not the easiest energy. This card often represents feeling stuck or limited, but don't worry, the eights in the tarot also signify change and transformation. So it's not all doom and gloom. But often this card indicates a time where we may not have all the information to make an informed decision, or there are other factors that may be affecting our emotions and or our confidence. Now, we have all felt this way at one time or another, so don't feel like you're alone out there, Aquarius. Now, the upside to this card is that it symbolizes the power of the mind, indicating that it is within your power to shift your perspective and overcome whatever this is that is holding you back. Now, I'm going to touch on the pertinent areas of your life with this theme. So, in your work or career, Aquarius, you might feel like you are in a bit of a rut at the moment. We have Mercury in retrograde this month, which can exacerbate these energies even more, so keep this in mind. But perhaps this is something that has been ongoing for a while. For example, some of you may have hit a glass ceiling at your job or in your career, or you could be dealing with a problematic supervisor or coworkers, or there could be a lack of communication somewhere or transparency. This card, whatever this is for you, denotes challenges. Aquarius, however, you are known for your brilliant mind and creative thinking, and the Eight of Swords here suggests that there may be alternative options or solutions that you may not have considered yet. Sometimes asking for help or getting some advice, and this could even be legal advice, or even just getting a fresh perspective can make all the difference. It won't take long for you to realize that you have more control over your situation than you think. Now, when it comes to your personal life and relationships, the Eight of Swords reminds you to communicate openly and honestly. So if you are in a relationship and you've been feeling misunderstood or restricted, or maybe there's been some emotional distance, now's the time to speak up. Having a calm, clear, honest conversation can help you break through any barriers. If you are single, this is my classic on and off ghosting card. And if this is you, I say respect the dead and let them be. Now, if you are single and are seeing someone, you are being advised to get to know this person better or verify the information that they have provided to you before entering into an emotional investment or a financial commitment. Now, psychologically, this is a powerful card. The Eight of Swords encourages you to look inward and identify any self-limiting thought patterns, habits, or philosophies that might be holding you back. This card complements the Mercury retrograde energetic themes, which are review, retrospection, reassess. And as the full supermoon on the 19th is in your zodiac sign of Aquarius, the Eight of Swords encourages you to practice self-compassion and discernment. Now, this full moon is square Uranus, which makes its energy a bit unpredictable and prone to surprising reveals. So step back, take a deep breath, and gather your thoughts and emotions. Now, notice how the woman in this card has her eyes covered. This is standing out to me. You may want to avoid making life-altering decisions as your judgment may be clouded by a distorted perspective, or you may not have all the information you need yet to make an intelligent, informed choice. So try to postpone whatever this is for you towards the end of the month if you can. And this will give you the extra time you need, and you will have the added benefit of having the full supermoon in Aquarius behind you and Mercury going back direct at this time. So you'll be working with the planetary energies instead of against them. Okay, Aquarius, that about does it for me. If you find these messages helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing. I love you, and I know you're going to do great in the month of August.